Okay, to remove the background very, very fast. I show you only that picture with curly hair and white background and okay. Um, Duplicate this layer. Saturation nothing. A little bit more brightness. Okay. Swipe with 3 fingers down. Copy. Mask. 3 fingers down. Insert. Reverse. Pinch it together. Okay. It's cut out. Duplicate the layer 1, 2 times, 3 times. Pinch it together. Make a selection. Go to the layer. Make a duplicate and delete this and make duplicate, 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 pinch it together, and you cut out the background. That's it. Ciao.